This is the JBL Horizon Bluetooth clock radio with USB charging. I accidentally came across this. I was online looking for a alarm clock, and I came across this one. The price was great. It's only $40, and to my surprise, this thing has a multi-sensor alarm clock with LED ambient light. It has JBL stereo sound, and most importantly, Bluetooth streaming. So whatever you wanted to watch, if you want to listen to anything, you could just stream it through Bluetooth, and you have two USB charging. It's very attractive.
In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful.